Welcome to the Drywall Solutions YouTube channel. Today we are going to be discussing, should you buy blue steel or should you buy stainless steel? One thing is, you have to maintain the blue steel. You have to lube it and make sure you clean it. The stainless steel, doesn't matter if you lube it or if you clean it, it will not rust. Here are some knives I had in the back of the van, and I did not clean them and at least spray some WD-40 on them to stop the water from rusting them. What happens is the edge gets all pitted and nasty and it looks like a garden rake when you're trying to finish drywall. Now, here are some stainless steel knives. These knives are the same age as the blue steel knives. The only difference is they don't rust. So if you are a homeowner and you only do repairs occasionally, I would recommend stainless steel because they don't rust. You can store them, and when you're ready to do a repair, they are ready when you are.